What's up everybody, welcome back here on the channel. It's been quite a while since my last video. The reason is pretty simple. I just couldn't find too much diecast stuff in the stores that I like. But today we are back with a complete Hot Wheels Silver Series set. And as you can see, we got the tuned models in a Golf deco. As always, problem with these Silver Series models is the price. They do cost €4 here in my area, and well, basically you get a basic model with a little bit more deco, different wheels, and in this case we only have one model with a metal base, which is the Supra. But I would say let's get started and let's take a look at the models, and we start with number one, which is the tuned Volkswagen Golf Mark 1. First of all, I really do like the color. I think this is really cool. It's hard to read, but yeah, so saying Golf Mark 1 tuned. We got the Golf logo, the Volkswagen logo, the tuned model. I think it's yeah, pretty nice artwork. So let's get this thing open, and here it is. As you can see, we get full deco on this one, on the back, on the side, on the hood, on the roof, and on the front. Looks pretty cool. We have an orange plastic base. This one would have been really cool with a metal base, but it is how it is. Unfortunately, this one doesn't come in the, let's say, original Golf deco, so this baby blue that you can see here on the card. But it is how it is. Comes with these special wheels for the Silver Series sets. Here you can see it comes with taillights and a tuned license plate. So I do collect these tuned models. I guess not everybody likes them, but I can show you the other ones we've seen so far. I'm not really sure. I think the red one was the first one. I'm not 100% sure, or the white one. But yeah, these are the tuned Volkswagen Golfs that we have seen so far. This one here was a regular treasure hunt. As you can see, they didn't have a deco on the back, but our yeah, new one does. So yeah, I really think they look pretty cool. I guess not everybody likes them, but I really think they are pretty nice, and that's why I bought this whole set. So yeah, let's go on with number two, which is a 70 Dodge Charger. And yeah, this one comes in, it's the original Golf deco in a baby blue with a number 7. Guess that yeah, stands for the year 1970, I guess. This one comes with a baby blue plastic base. This one also has deco on the back, Goodyear logo, Golf logo. Yeah, unfortunately, it's yeah, gray plastic front, but so as you can see, we get these gray engine parts. I think chrome would have been better, but I guess they could, or they can't print on this extreme chrome. That's why they chose this style. Yeah, I really like the Golf deco. This is not my favorite tuned model, but it's a nice one. So here you can see the black version with the chrome interior and the chrome back, chrome front. This one looks cool. Then we saw this one here. It's not exactly the same. As you can see, we get a stripe here on the back. And yeah, we've also seen this model in silver with a black stripe here on the back. Yeah, these are the models. Let's put them to the side. Our Charger in the parking lot. So yeah, we go on with the tuned 83 Chevy Silverado once again. I think the part art is pretty cool in my opinion. This one also comes in the original baby blue Golf deco, and yeah, this one looks really cool. Get some crisp details on the side, the Golf logo, the white stripe Golf logo also on the hood and on the side. This one comes with a black plastic base, but we have this chrome interior part, so we have this roll bar with the yeah, lights on top, all of that in chrome. I think this one does look really cool. I also like the fact that the wheels do have the same size, which is pretty nice. Yeah, this one's a really nice one. We've seen 4 versions so far. You know, always, I'm not really sure. Sometimes, you know, you get the exclusives in the US. We don't get them here, but these are all the versions you could get yeah, in the regular stores. I think the first version was the blue one. We've seen it in red, and then we've also got yeah, these versions in green and black with a little bit more deco. There we go. Silverado in the background as we go on. We have the Manga Tuner. To be honest, I don't have any other versions of this one. I'm not really sure how many tuned versions there were so far. So yeah, let's get this thing open and let's take a quick look at the base, which is saying 2019. So I guess we've seen some more versions of this one. I don't have any other. Unfortunately, this one comes in this white Golf deco. I'm not a huge fan of that, but the model itself, in my opinion, is pretty cool with these exhausts. Also like the rims, but yeah, as you can see, we don't get any deco on the front. A little bit here on the back. These divided taillights. Looks a little bit like lips for some reason. Yeah, I think it's nice, but it's for the price. I think it's missing a little bit. By the way, I would have loved to seen the tuned Porsche in the set. That would have been so cool. But here is, I would say, yeah, the one that flies off the shelves because yeah, it's the Supra, and the Supra comes with a metal base, as you can see right here. That's what people like, and I guess that's what you can expect when you pay €4. So yeah, here we go. As you can see, unfortunately, once again, the Golf comes in this dark Golf deco, and the Supra in this white Golf deco. I think it would have been cool if this one had been in the original baby blue, but it is how it is. As you can see, comes with details on the back, on the side. Got the stripe on the roof and also here on the hood. I mean, as always, I think the front looks pretty cute. Looks like a little face, in my opinion, if you say this. These are the eyebrows, and these are the eyes. You know, looks pretty cool. I think the wheels are a pretty good choice. This is only the third version we've seen so far. This one here we've seen not too long ago. And yeah, then we got this one, which was the original version. As you can see, the other ones don't have any details on the back, unfortunately, but our new one does. So yeah, there we go. As always, I'm picking a favorite model at the end of the video. And well, it's definitely between our Golf and the Supra. And I would choose the Supra just because of its metal base. You know, it gives these models decent weight, and they feel pretty good in your hands. So yeah, there we go. This was the tuned golf set, and with that, thanks for watching. Happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.